Alright guys, welcome to this trading analysis section. Okay, I've made it I've made it a personal rule that I'm going to be dropping trading setups every Sunday or every week in anticipation for the next week, what you are going to be anticipating for the next week. So guys, stick with me to the very end. Let's see some trading setup that we can potentially take during the week. So right now, let's see what the dollar is doing. Let's see what the dollar index is doing so that we can actually know where we can now fix ourselves. All right. So the dollar right now has hit my overall target for the month, and I think we are going to get a retracement before we are going to see a retracement of the dollar before we move. If the market wants to continue bullish, then it's fine, but then a retracement, then a continuation, then we can actually break this area, can actually break this resistance area. Currently we are lying on the resistance area. So now I'm finding a retracement there. That's because I have this level in the market where the market can actually might actually respect. So we have this level in the market where the market might actually respect. So a retest, and then we can actually break back, because this month just closed bullish. Yeah, you can see close with that strong bullish candle there. We close with that strong bullish candle. So that's it guys. So a little retracement, then we continue higher. So guys, let's go to our weekly time frame. Mind you, I trade top down analysis. I find setups from the higher time frames, then we go to our lower time frame to look out for entries. So guys, let me delete this bar so that we like to keep our chart clean. We love to keep our chart clean. So here's the level. This was the last high broken. So no matter how the market have to go, we have to find a retracement. I guess coming back for retracement, correction, then we continue. It's fine. So you can see, even if we draw like a trend line now, we are actually sitting on that level. So getting a retracement there is fine. We're actually sitting on that level. So guys, that's it from the weekly time frame. Let's go to our daily time frame. Okay guys. Alright guys. So here's our daily time frame. What the market, the dollar index right now is still over. It has overextended. The market has overextended. Just look at this market here. The market has overextended. So coming back for a retracement is fine, but then before we take any sell setups from this market, I have to wait for like a double top. I have to wait for something like a double top before I take the market up to this level. Then we have to test the green zone here before we can decide if the market have to break this green zone or we continue bullish. So that's it guys. So let's go to our 4-hour time frame to look out for entries. That's where I place my entries. I go down to my 4-hour time frame. I find potential entries to take. So you can see that the market clearly rejects this area on the 4 hour time frame. So we don't want to see a situation. We want to see a situation where, since the market closed with a bullish engulfing candle last week, we want to like see a double top here. Then we continue. Want to see something like a double top, then we continue downward. But then if we don't get the double top, it's fine if the market can break above here. Then we wait for a retest and then we continue bullish. Since the market is actually bullish, we don't have to force the reversal. So that's it, guys, for my dollar index. So right now, since we are looking out for sell opportunities, if the market gets to the green zone here and then give us that rejection candle, then we have to sell. But then it's fine if we break that resistance and then we continue bullish. So guys, let's check our next pair. I'll be looking out for okay guys, we'll be looking out for AUDCAD. Alright guys, we'll be looking out for AUDCAD. So currently I'm bearish on AUDCAD. I'm still targeting, I'm on this trade currently now, and I'm targeting on 213 pips. I'm risking 70 pips on this trade. So but then my overall target for this trade is the green bar here. The overall target for this trade, the green bar here. That's what top-down analysis can do. So let's go to our monthly time frame and see what we have. Let me adjust this stuff. All right, let's go to our monthly time frame and see what we have. All right, on the monthly time frame, you can see we close with that bullish engulfing candle with a strong bullish candle, and with a strong bearish candle there. We close with a strong bearish candle on the monthly time frame. So seeing more downside is okay for us. We just close. You can see that area there. That's the area in the market. We close with that, with a strong bearish candle on the monthly time frame. So let's go to our weekly time frame and see what we have. Okay guys, I think we are still going to push. We are going to push more to the top. We are still going to push more to the downside. Okay, I think we are still going to push down to, we are still going to push downwards, because if I show from the 4 hour time frame which I showed before, you notice that the market has been moving bearish. Definitely we have to hit this target before we can potentially see any reversal back at the top. So let's see what we have here on the 4 hour on the daily time frame. You can see this, and we have a clear support which was broken on the 4 hour time frame, and we retested that support level. So the market has to fall from here. You can see the multiple weak rejections at this top here. So since I'm already on this trade, I'm still anticipating that the market has to still fall from here down to our red support area here. So that's it. So let's look out for possible re-entry of this market. Let me adjust this a little bit. All right. So seeing this kind of I think we can still take we can still take opportunities from this market. So we can either break this market, retest on it, and then we start falling. So it's fine if we see setups like this from next week, and we can still retest on the top, make a double top, and then we fall. So that's it for AUDCAD, guys. We are still bearish on AUDCAD. I'm still bearish on AUDCAD. So guys, let's look out for other setups. That's USDJPY. USDJPY has been overextended. The market keeps extending. So I guess from here we have to like the retest, and then we continue bullish. So buying from here to the top. This should be our weekly resistance on the market. So I think we are still bullish on USDJPY. We are still seeing some bullish moves on the USDJPY. So let's check the market from a weekly time frame and see. We have overextended. The market keeps extending. Okay. So by the way, guys, you can search us on Telegram. Our Telegram channel is shedifx Academy, for you to join our signals. We do drop free signals on the channel almost every day. Yeah, we do drop free signals on the channel, so you can also participate and make money for yourselves as well. So this was a bullish flag. Yeah. Broke the bullish flag, and then we came back for a retest. So definitely the market have to go up. The market has to continue its bullish. The market has to continue bullish. So that's my anticipation for USDJPY, guys. All right, so let's check the next pair I have here is AUDUSD. AUDUSD. All right. So AUDUSD, I saw this market last week from the top here on the 4-hour time frame. I took that market all the way to this area. Then we close out. So up to now, I'm still regretting why I closed that market, because then I think I didn't look at from the monthly or I didn't look at from the higher time frames to know what the market was actually doing. But then it's fine. So let's see what we have for AUDUSD here. So I think the market is still pushing bearish. We have to reach the down part here. We have to reach this down support area. We have to reach the support area there. So we have our supply area at the top there. Then we can still push down. So the market is currently pushing down. I was actually anticipating that once the market break this trend line, then we have to like go to the top there and retest, and then we start falling. But then the market never gave me that opportunity. It keeps on coming down. So we just have to follow what we have here. So let's see what we have on the 4-hour time frame. I won't be doing more top analysis on this. All right, so I'll be deleting this stuff. Let me readjust it. All right, so So the market is currently running in this pattern. So seeing something like we have to come here, form a base on this area, maybe we see like a double bottom, then we buy up to this area, we buy up to this place here. So it's fine if we see something like this from next week, but then if we don't get this pattern, we might either see a breakout, then we have to form a base on this support turn resistance, then we sell. So that's it, guys. That's it for my AUDUSD. So guys, I really appreciate you sticking to the end of this video. So next week we'll be dropping more of this kind of setups. Just subscribe to our channel, click on the notification button so that you won't miss out if we drop any setups. I'll be dropping weekly setups from time to time every week. Meanwhile, for free signals, when we are entering the market and when we are going out, click the link in the description below to join our Telegram channel. It's absolutely free. It's free, guys. So you can join us on our Telegram channel. So guys, I really appreciate your time. Peace out.